Ridiculously cool rare natural phenomena that happen on Earth. Bioluminescence. The spooky light is created by a chemical reaction called bioluminescence, which happens when tiny organisms in the water are disturbed. Supercells. A supercell is basically a stronger, more tornado-enabled version of a regular storm cell. This is because, much like tornadoes, supercells have the tendency to spin around a lot, but also and more importantly because supercells can actually create tornadoes. Volcanic lightning. Scientists aren't 100% sure why this happens, but the primary theory goes that when a volcano erupts, it projects positively charged debris into the atmosphere. These charges then react with negative charges already present, which results in a bolt of lightning. Fire rainbows. These colorful offshots are a large halo of refracted light, and despite their nickname, they have nothing to do with either fire or rainbows. They only occur when the sun is at least 58 degrees above the horizon, when there are cirrus clouds in the sky that are filled with plate-shaped ice crystals. The refraction of light is always parallel to the horizon, and because the arcs are so big, only sections of them are ever commonly seen, which is why it can look like certain patches of clouds are on fire. Lenticular clouds. They are stationary lens-shaped and sometimes multi-layered clouds that form at high altitudes. They are formed when moist air is forced to flow upward around mountaintops. Due to their shape, they have been offered as an explanation for some UFO sightings. Auroras. Polar lights are mesmerizing natural light displays in the sky of high-latitude regions. They are caused when energetic electrically charged particles from solar wind accelerate along the magnetic field lines into the upper atmosphere, where they collide with gas atoms, causing the atoms to give off lights. The auroral zone is typically 10 to 20 degrees from the magnetic poles. Sundogs. They are massive halos in the sky as a result of light refraction, though in this case they appear to actually encircle the sun. Sundogs can be recognized by two distinctive bright spots on either side of the halo. If these blips are bright enough, it can even look like there are three suns in the sky all side by side. Columnar basalt. The unique formations are a result of lava flows cracking as they cool in a perpendicular direction to the original flow. Morning glory clouds. These are a very rare type of cloud. They can stretch 1,000 kilometers long and occur at altitudes up to 2 kilometers. These tubes in the surrounding air can cause dangerous turbulence for airplanes when clear. Waterspouts. They're tornadoes that form over water. Because of this, they don't pose a major threat unless you happen to be in a boat. But if you are, then watch out because these things can achieve speeds of up to 305 kilometers per hour. In fact, it's been speculated that many mysterious shipwrecks, such as those within the Bermuda Triangle, are simply a result of bad luck with waterspouts. Mammatus clouds. They are a cellular pattern of pouches hanging underneath the base of a cloud. They are formed in sinking air contrary to any other form of clouds that are formed in rising air. There are various hypotheses offered behind the mechanism of its formation. Hessdalen lights. These are unexplained light phenomena that occur in Hessdalen Valley of Norway. They were observed over 15 to 20 times per week from 1982 until 1984. Earthquake lights. They are unusual luminous atmospheric phenomena. They are usually reported in areas of high seismic activity or volcanic eruptions. They were believed to be myths until they were photographed in 1965 during the Matsushiro earthquake of Japan.